Want to learn how to reset the password of your Roblox account through the help of your email address? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I have already installed Roblox app from my Play Store. You can also go to your App Store or Play Store and download it and then tap on it. You're onto the very first section of your Roblox account. Tap on Login, below Sign Up. Tap on Forgot Password or Username, below Quick Login. Since we are trying to reset our password with the help of email address, tap on Use Email to reset password, below Submit. You need to enter your email to reset your password, so tap on Email and enter the email address that belongs to you, and then tap on Submit below. You can see that an email with instructions has been sent to your email address if the email was previously saved on your account. Tap on OK. You can go back to your email address just like this. I'm onto the home page of my own email address and I can search for the mail. If I want to get the reset password option, you can tap on search in mail on the top and then tap here Roblox. You can see that that's a account password reset that has been sent as a notification to my email address. So I'm going to tap on reset password. You can also do the same. So that's it. Now you can create a new password and do not use your old password. So I'm going to tap on new password below and enter a password that must be of at least 8 characters long. When I'm done, I'm going to tap on confirm new password and enter the new password once again. And when you're done doing all, tap on submit below. You can see that I have successfully recovered my old Roblox account. Now I can tap on username, email or phone number and enter the new password and get logged in easily. After you're done doing both, tap on login below and you can see that tap on verify. You need to verify if you're not a robot. So you can see that just by doing it, you have been successfully logged into your own old Roblox account. This is how you do it. This is how you reset the password of your Roblox account with the help of an email address. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe and goodbye.